Hey there, Aurelia here from withhisgifts.com. Welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to share with you the things that I got back from Tmika over at Scrapdaworld's swap that I participated in. It was the gift card holder 3x3 note card pocket letter card swap. And I participated in that, and these are the swaps that I got back. So let's go ahead and open this puppy up so I can show you what's inside. So this is all the yummy goodness that was in the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and get started opening up and showing you what's inside. This is gorgeous. This one, let's see, we'll open it up and see who it's from. This is pretty cool. This is my name cut in vinyl. So that's kind of awesome. Find somewhere to put that. Let's see. I love this ribbon. And it's wrapped in some tissue paper with some nice glittery dots on it. Open up. Feels like Christmas over here. Okay, here we go. Take that over there. So here she has some die cuts, some snowflakes, and some other cute little die cuts that she included. And then for her swap, let's open this up. It's got some sequins up in this bag, super cute. Let's get her note card out, because then we can know who she is. Okay, so this is her note card. Getting these sequins off. Okay, cute little snowman, Christmas tree, some gifts, a little snow scene, snow day. Very cute. She's got some texture here for the snow on the trees, and on the snowman, super cute. Some glitter, very, very cutesy. And on the back, we had to answer some questions. Her YouTube name is Eshter Luka. Favorite color to craft with is pastels. Any? I feel you, girl. Those are my favorites too. Wish item, $5 wish item, foam tape or stickers. Favorite holiday memory or tradition. Says her son was born December 19th, so her family gathers the following weekend and celebrate his birthday and do gift exchange. That is a lovely tradition. So next we are going to find her note card. Here is her lovely note card. Walking in a winter wonderland. She's got a little snow globe here. That is actually the envelope. How cute. She made it with cardstock. And here is her lovely little note card. She's got a little bunny all decked out in a tutu and a scarf, little bow in her hair and a little crown on top. She's got some little sparkle going here and some layering going on. It's really pretty. She's got some distressing around the lovely paper that says fa la 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 la. Merry Christmas. Very cute. I love it. I love this color here, this craft color. And then finally, her gift card holder. She's got some coffee cups, and they're embossed with coffee cups. And little bunny in a, looks like hot cocoa with whipped cream, swimming in it. And she's got a little snowflake here, some more layering. It says from me to you. And then on the back here, to and from, and this is where the gift card would go, in this little pocket right here. So that is her lovely swap. Thank you so much, Eshter. Everything is gorgeous. And here is the next swap that I got. And this one is from Letty Aguilar, who is MyLittleSweetPeaz here on YouTube. Let's open this up and see what is inside. Okay, so she has this wrapped in this lovely paper. I should know what this paper is. I just saw it in Hobby Lobby. It's Prima. I know that. My memory is not very good. But anyways, this lovely paper is covered in butterflies, which is my favorite. She's got some lace on the front of it and this little cluster of flowers. The sprig here, lavender looks like, bow. Oh, she's got some excellent bow making skills because my bows do not come out pretty like that ever. But that is gorgeous, and a little rhinestone in the middle with his gifts. And the bag opens on top. And let's see what's inside. It's a very cute bag. Okay, and this is what was inside of Letty's package. Everything looks so gorgeous. Here we have a stamp, Saturated Canary. This lovely little Harley and Haley. It's a little cling stamp. Very pretty. I love to stamp in color. Thank you so much for that. And then next we will start with her note card, which is in this little treat bag. She's got some cardstock that says every day on here. Pretty cute. And her, oh, lovely note card. Celebration. She's got some distressing and inking around here. Girl after my own heart. And this lovely paper, I don't know what it is, but it's so pretty. It's got some lilac colors and flowers. She's got a little cluster of flowers here and some rhinestones down in this corner. It's so pretty and sturdy. And oh, she's got a little pocket, I believe. Is this a pocket? Yes. How clever. So she's got her questions in this little card here. Is this her gift card holder? I don't know, maybe. So, okay, let's answer her questions. Her YouTube. She's MyLittleSweetPeaz. Letty Aguilar is her name. Favorite color is mauve. Stickers is her $5 item that she would have on her wish list. And her favorite tradition or memory for Christmas is I love being with my family for the holidays. Yes, family is awesome. They make everything better for sure. And let's put that right back in there. I really like this. Cutesy. Okay, there's that. Then let's go move on to her note card. So here is her cute little note card. Some more of that gorgeous paper. Find yourself and be that. I love that saying. That is the truth for sure, because we always, or sometimes, measure ourselves against somebody else and always fall short because we're not somebody else, right? So this is lovely. Find yourself and be that. Awesome saying. But anyways, again, beautiful paper. These little bling blings on the corner, little flower. This is so cute. 3x3 note card with her matching envelope. So she made the envelope with cardstock and lined the inside with some of the matching paper. Very cute. Very, very cute. Okay, and then finally we have her gift card. Okay, so here is her gift card holder. She's got some more of that pretty paper. Beautiful die cut here. Some more of the bling, just because it is tied here with a ribbon, some seam binding, to and from on the back. Opens up like this. So here's that die cut again. This one is blank on the inside for you to put a lovely note in, and the gift card goes right in here. That is so pretty. Okay, so here is Letty's swap, who is MyLittleSweetPeaz here on YouTube. And let's move on to the last one. And last but not least, we have this lovely package from, oh, we'll have to wait to open up the inside because I think I know, but I don't want to guess wrong and say her name all wrong. So we'll wait. But anyway, it's wrapped up in this packaging. Here is some tulle and these lovely little pom-poms that look homemade. How cute. Two of my most favorite colors in the whole wide world. Thank you so much. Open up her bag. And she has a little stuffed envelope with a lot of yummy shreddies on the inside here. But this is so cute. It looks like a die. Right here, it's got some stitched shapes around here. So she definitely made this with a die. She's got some stitching here. Oh, so fancy. It's so pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so she's got some snow and cocoa, I believe, paper that she used. Here's a little snowman. So she's got a little banner going across here. Snowman, warm wishes, little polar bear, little cute little glitter bow. And let's see what she has here. Let's take stuff out. Oh, caramel and milk chocolate. Lovely. Cute little candy bar. How cutesy is that? And okay, we're not going to open that up just yet because that's pretty. This is a little Christmas bow on a snowflake die cut. And some paper. So cute. I hopefully will get to enjoy some of that, but I have 4 boys that will probably devour that. Okay, so some more of the shreddy in here, which is so cute. Okay, so here again is her packaging that she made and had her stuff stuffed in there. Very, very cutesy. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with her little pocket letter card. She has this in this little bag that has some polka dots looking like snow. Very cute. And how cute is that? She's got this little girl here. Little pom-pom on her hat. Little snow globe on the back that she also stitched. Oh, she's got some stitching skills for real. That's cute. This little thing has some tulle with some sequins on the back. Very cutesy. There's my dog. We'll pause because my husband's home and they won't stop until he comes in and says hello. So this is from Crystal, who is June Cries 315 here on YouTube. Her favorite color to craft in is pastel colors. Her $5 or less wish list item is adhesive. And her favorite Christmas tradition or memory is opening gifts from Santa. Cutesy. And then her note card. She has an envelope here. Velcro. How cute. Paper from the Snow and Cocoa collection that she made with some paper from the Snow and Cocoa collection. Very cute. I love the Velcro idea. Very, very cute. Here is her note card. Very cute. Some more stitching and some layering. I love the layering. She's got 3 layers here stitched. Wonderful winter. Little bunny. Little pom-pom on his tail. Little glittered snowflake. And she lined the inside with some more of the paper. Very, very cute. And here is her gift card holder. It is a stocking snowman. I love this little thing that she did with the paper here. Joy is cut out. So, and then the snowman, pom-pom on his top. Little crepe paper ruffles up here with some snowflakes. Very, very cute. To and from on the back. Opens up like this. And then here is Have a Jolly Christmas. Is this a real? Is this real? Did you send a gift card for Starbucks? That's awesome. Thank you so much. That was very, very generous and thoughtful of you. And I love me some coffee. So thank you for that. Crystal. You are so sweet. So this is Crystal Swap. Again, she is June Cries 315 here on YouTube. I'll make sure to put a link down below to all of these lovely ladies' channels so you can go and check them out. And if you want to see what I made for this swap, I will link that down below as well. And I've gone in and check out what I made for this lovely swap. So thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for allowing me to share all this lovely goodness that came in my mailbox. That is all that I have for you today. Until next time, thank you and have a great day.